the music is so overwhelming nowadays that they don't understand, damn, how does this shit popping?
This is music for the villains, sophisticated, cheering, A-Step in the house. Now we finna run the building, working never chilling, till I get a million to the ceiling. Now my niggas gunning for $1 billion. They ask me how I'm living, I see I'm gold grilling. Niggas acting different, motherfucker friendship. These bitches is persistent, talking about I'm distant. Lost my mind a long time ago to finding me forensics. I get my dick licked, red bone complexion like a piglet. Kiss, kiss, fuck ace, we citrus. Afford it cause I'm getting it. Drip, drip, the door the bit is ignorant. Getting it, I'm ticklish, starting to my business. Swagging on you hoes and I'm shitting on you nigglets. So little homie peep gang, cause these other rappers lame and don't care to do the same. Young stay true to the game. The planes keep it motherfucking cheap. Cause this shit end of the